If you've ever wanted to break down a complex repeating pattern into pure mathematical music, you need the Fourier series. Today, we're building a visual mental model of how it actually works. While the Fourier transform analyzes non-repeating signals across all frequencies, the Fourier series deals exclusively with signals that repeat over a fixed period. Think of any repeating wave, whether it's a sharp square wave, a jagged sawtooth, or the sound of a violin. The core idea of the Fourier series is simple. Any periodic signal, no matter how complex, can be built by adding up a combination of simple, pure sine and cosine waves. Look at the formula. F of t equals a 0 plus sigma n equals 1 to infinity a n cosine n omega 0 t plus b n sine n omega 0 t. Instead of a continuous spectrum, the Fourier series uses a discrete set of frequencies, a fundamental frequency, omega 0, plus its exact integer multiples, the harmonics 2 omega 0, 3 omega 0, 4 omega 0, and so on. To find how much of each harmonic exists in your signal, you multiply the signal by that harmonic sine or cosine and integrate over one full period. Because orthogonal sine waves cancel each other out over a full cycle, this integral acts like a filter, filtering out everything except the exact weight an or bn of that specific frequency. Graphically, you can visualize this as a chain of rotating vectors called epicycles, drawing out the periodic waveform as time moves forward. An epicycle is a small circle whose center rotates along the circumference of a larger circle. By using Euler's formula, e raised to I theta equals cosine theta plus I sine theta, we can represent each rotating circle as a complex exponential vector cne raised to in omega underscore 0 t with a specific radius, frequency, and starting angle. When you chain these rotating vectors end to end, their combined tip traces out complex, repeating 2D shapes and periodic waveforms. As you add more harmonics to the series, the approximation gets sharper and smoother, eventually reconstructing the exact original wave. That is what the Fourier series actually does. It breaks any repeating wave into an exact recipe of pure fundamental notes and harmonics. If this breakdown made it click, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment.